Are you dreaming about the perfect tripod, but it's turning into a nightmare? We can help. There are a lot of tripods to choose from, and it's not always easy to find the right one. But we here at Benro have some tips that will lead you to the right tripod for your photography.
So many great options. How do I pick one?
Oh, whoa. Before you start scrolling through the wide world of tripods, just take a look at your camera and lens. Is it a compact mirrorless? A grip DSLR? A smartphone? Your camera kit is a great starter in your search for the right tripod. Compare your kit with our product images, or use a scale and see how much it weighs. Pair your gear's weight with our max payload spec for a match made in tripod heaven.
So much better. Oh, my back.
Clearly, their tripod is too short. Check out the max height of our tripods so you know you can get your camera where you need it.
Why won't this go farther down?
Look at the minimum height too. Certain tripods are designed to get you right down to the ground.
Ah, that's what I needed.
Another perfect fit. Or is it?
I give up.
Don't give up. I promise there's a tripod that'll fit. For example, if your gear needs to fit in carry-on luggage, look at the product length spec. If it's smaller than the inside of your luggage, it's an easy choice. Especially when you're traveling, carbon fiber legs can save you some precious weight too. Also, keep your eye out for reverse folding legs. Tripod legs for a compact package, perfect for carrying on a backpack and saving precious space. And tabletop tripods will easily fit, well, almost anywhere. You get the idea. Focus on the product's closed length so your tripod can go with you where and when you need it.
Great. Some tripod.
You definitely need a tripod head. Don't worry, we got you. If you already have a tripod head you love, you can get the tripod by itself. And if you're buying your first kit or need another one for a specific task, we have kits for all kinds of shooting scenarios.
Cameras and lenses, lenses and cameras, always with the pictures.
We got you covered too. Benro has tripods and kits specifically designed for use with spotting scopes and binoculars, so you'll never miss your feathered friends.
All right. What else you got for me, Benro?
We've got tripods for everyone. Once you know the basics of your camera type, the height and size you need, and the kit type you want, you can dig deeper into special features that let you shoot in your specific style and situation. We have tripods that can turn into monopods, fit into the tightest spaces, tackle the elements, and create a whole shooting system, and so much more. Think about the problems you face as a photographer, and while you're searching for support, look for features that can make your life easier. We hope this video will help you find the right tripod or tripods for you. Click the link in the description to grab your new favorite tripod from Benro.